What if I told you there's a select group of altcoins poised to deliver insane 200x gains in the coming months? And here's the kicker. Elon Musk, the man behind X, is eyeing these coins as part of his master plan to transform X into the ultimate everything app by 2024. This isn't just another bull run, it's shaping up to be the final supercycle. Market conditions are aligning perfectly. Institutional adoption is accelerating, major partnerships are forming, and these altcoins are expanding their real-world applications across DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. With growing utility and adoption, these tokens aren't just hyped, they're primed for explosive growth. Elon's moves to integrate crypto payments into X could be the catalyst that sends these altcoins soaring. In this video, we'll uncover the altcoins Musk and insiders believe will dominate the market, delivering life-changing returns. Don't sit on the sidelines. This may be your last chance to get in on the supercycle of a lifetime. Enough talking. Let's join 10-Minute Crypto and get straight into the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Part of the reason why I think there's some merit to Dogecoin, even though it was obviously created as a joke, is that it actually does have a much higher transaction volume capability than Bitcoin.
Dogecoin Doge is the quirky, meme-born cryptocurrency that's gone from internet joke to market heavyweight, accessible, fun, and surprisingly valuable. A pioneer of meme coins, Dogecoin serves as a fun entry point into crypto and a decentralized payment method. Ranked among the top 10 cryptocurrencies, it's a pop culture staple in the blockchain world. Built on Litecoin's technology, Dogecoin is super fast and low cost for transactions. Its infinite supply ensures it remains inflationary, making it perfect for tipping and everyday use. Dogecoin is widely accepted for payments, donations, and tipping. Major brands like Tesla have flirted with using it, and it's backed by a devoted community. With a market cap of $56.16 billion and a circulating supply of 146.86 Doge, its price of $0.3824 reflects solid demand, though its inflationary nature caps speculative spikes. Analysts suggest Dogecoin could 5x to 10x in the next major bull run if adoption accelerates or more companies integrate it. A $1 milestone is plausible in bullish conditions, ideal for playful, low-risk investments. Use risk management. Meme coins are volatile but can deliver outsized returns. Always diversify your portfolio.
But Bitcoin per se is mostly solving for scarcity, or rather solving for essentially having no throat to choke, decentralized, and it has an open ledger, which is also quite good. But transaction volume is low, transaction cost is high, and usability for the average person is not yet very good. But it has a lot of potential.
Bitcoin, BTC, the OG of cryptocurrencies, is the most trusted digital asset globally, boasting unmatched dominance and scarcity. The backbone of decentralized finance, DeFi, Bitcoin is a store of value, hedge against inflation, and digital gold. It's the #1 cryptocurrency by market cap, representing over 40% of the total crypto market. Bitcoin has a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, making it inherently deflationary. Secured by proof of work (POW) consensus, it's nearly invulnerable to hacks and tampering, a true fortress of trust. Bitcoin is widely used for peer-to-peer transactions, cross-border payments, and as a reserve asset by institutions. Tesla and El Salvador are among notable adopters embracing Bitcoin's potential. With a circulating supply of 19.78 M BTC and a market cap of $1.81 T, Bitcoin's price of $91,625.99 reflects its role as a premier store of value. A limited supply supports consistent price appreciation. Analysts predict Bitcoin could hit $150,000 to $200,000 in the next bull cycle, fueled by institutional adoption, ETFs, and global monetary shifts. That's a 2x to 3x growth from current levels. Bitcoin is a must-have for any portfolio. Start with dollar cost averaging, DCA, and hold long-term. Protect yourself by keeping BTC in secure wallets. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. With Elon Musk aiming to transform X into a payments powerhouse, Solana stands out as a strong contender for integration, thanks to its speed and scalability. But if this happens in Q1 or Q2, we could see Solana's price skyrocket as it positions itself at the center of this financial revolution. Solana, SOL, is the blockchain built for speed and scalability, delivering lightning-fast transactions at minimal costs. A leader in DeFi, gaming, and NFT ecosystems, Solana ranks #4 in crypto, loved for its efficiency and developer-friendly environment. Powered by a unique proof of history, POH mechanism combined with proof of stake, POS, Solana achieves unparalleled throughput, handling over 50,000 transactions per second. Solana supports NFT marketplaces, DeFi platforms, and Web3 projects like Stepien. Partnerships with Google Cloud and major games like Star Atlas highlight its real-world adoption. With a circulating supply of 474.66 M SOL and a market cap of $110.12 billion, Solana's $232 price reflects strong demand amid its cutting-edge tech and growing ecosystem. Analysts forecast Solana could reach $500 to $750 in the next bull run, driven by ecosystem expansion and adoption. That's a potential 2x to 3x return, perfect for risk-tolerant investors seeking exposure to cutting-edge blockchain tech. Balance with large-cap assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum for lower volatility.
But as I've said publicly, we do need to watch out for crypto taking, especially Bitcoin, using proof of work to maybe use energy that's maybe a bit too much and not necessarily good for the environment. But on balance, I support Bitcoin, and I'm not an investor. The only publicly traded stock I own is Tesla, and the only significant thing I own outside of Tesla is my SpaceX stock that helped create both companies. So, but apart from that, I do own Bitcoin, and Tesla owns Bitcoin, SpaceX owns Bitcoin, and I do personally own a bit of Ethereum and Dogecoin, of course.
Ethereum, ETH, is the most versatile blockchain platform, powering smart contracts, decentralized apps, dApps, and NFTs. Dominating DeFi, gaming, and NFT ecosystems, Ethereum is the #2 cryptocurrency by market cap and the go-to chain for innovation. Transitioning to proof of stake, POS, with Ethereum 2.0, it's energy efficient and scalable, supporting thousands of dApps and tokens. Its robust developer community ensures constant upgrades. ETH is used for executing smart contracts, NFT trading, and powering DeFi protocols like Uniswap. Partners include Microsoft and JP Morgan, leveraging Ethereum's technology. With a circulating supply of 120.43 M ETH and a $371.05 billions market cap, Ethereum trades at $3,081.11. Its value reflects utility and adoption across multiple industries. Ethereum could hit $10,000 plus during the next bull run as Layer 2 solutions improve scalability and institutions deepen their adoption. That's a potential 3x from current levels, a must-have for diversified portfolios. Focus on staking ETH to earn passive income. Manage risk by balancing with lower volatility assets. It is entirely possible that Elon Musk will need something to integrate into the X payment system, a connecting tool. And that will be heavily influenced by CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK is the go-to decentralized Oracle network that bridges blockchain with real-world data, making smart contracts smarter. Essential for DeFi gaming and enterprise applications, CHAINLINK ranks #15 in crypto. It provides reliable, secure data to blockchain ecosystems. CHAINLINK's Oracle network enables off-chain data integration into on-chain environments. Its decentralized design ensures data accuracy, powering critical services like price feeds and DeFi protocols. Link is widely used in DeFi platforms like Aave and Synthetics, and in traditional industries exploring blockchain-based solutions. Partnerships with Google Cloud and Swift reinforce its credibility. With a circulating supply of 626.85 million S-Link and a market cap of $8.98 billion S, its $14.33 price reflects its robust utility. A fully diluted value, FDV, of $14.40 billion S aligns with its circulating supply-driven tokenomics. Experts predict Link could reach $50 to $100 as blockchain adoption grows and oracles become essential infrastructure. That's a potential 3x to 7x increase from current levels. CHAINLINK is a long-term play for blockchain believers. Invest moderately, and watch for key developments in the DeFi and enterprise sectors. Perfect for portfolio diversification. Before continuing with this topic, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed about market information and avoiding scams in the cryptocurrency market. Join my free 10 Minutes Crypto Telegram group for up-to-date information, videos, market conditions, and to not miss out on the latest $0 airdrop opportunity that I'll be updating exclusively on my Telegram channel that no one else is talking about. Now, let's get back to the video. Those coins to 200X Elon Musk buy in this bull run. But wait. I want to introduce to you 3 more coins that will surely rise in price along with the coins Elon Musk owns. I'm sure you'll buy them so you don't miss out on the opportunity in the upcoming bull run season. Shiba Inu, SHIB, began as a Dogecoin-inspired meme coin, but evolved into a vibrant ecosystem with DeFi, NFTs, and more. Known as the Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu ranks #11 in crypto and serves as a community-driven token with real utility in DeFi and the Shibarium ecosystem. SHIB is transitioning to a Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, for faster, cheaper transactions. Its token burning mechanism enhances scarcity, adding long-term value. SHIB powers payments, NFTs, and DeFi platforms like Shiba Swap. Collaborations with luxury brands and adoption by merchants broaden its appeal. With a circulating supply of 589.26 trillion SHIB and a $14.47 billion market cap, its price of $0.0002455 hinges on community enthusiasm and ecosystem growth. Analysts suggest SHIB could 5x or more if Shibarium adoption soars and token burns reduce supply. A $0.0001 target is within reach in a bullish market. Shiba Inu is speculative but rewarding for high-risk investors. Allocate small portions of your portfolio and diversify with stable coins to manage volatility. Floki, inspired by Elon Musk's dog, combines meme culture with real-world utility, creating a unique niche in crypto. Ranked #49 in crypto, Floki thrives as a community-focused token with DeFi, NFTs, and educational platforms like the Floki University ecosystem. Built for scalability, Floki integrates a deflationary mechanism and cross-chain compatibility between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. This ensures low fees and high accessibility. Floki is more than a meme. It powers the Valhalla NFT game, FlokiFi DeFi protocols, and an upcoming educational hub. Strategic partnerships like with Binance Smart Chain boost its credibility. With a circulating supply of 9.61 trillion Floki and a $2.37 billion market cap, its $0.0002462 price reflects steady growth driven by community engagement and ecosystem expansion. Analysts suggest Floki could 3x to 5x if its utility-driven projects gain traction. A $0.0001 price point is achievable in a strong bull market. A high-risk, high-reward play. Allocate modestly to Floki while focusing on its ecosystem developments. Diversify with larger cap coins to minimize downside risks. Filecoin, FIOL, is the leading decentralized storage network, enabling users to store, retrieve, and share data securely and efficiently. Ranked #43 in crypto, Filecoin is vital for Web3 infrastructure, powering decentralized applications, NFTs, and cloud storage solutions. Using a proof-of-space-time post consensus, Filecoin incentivizes users to provide excess storage space, creating a robust, decentralized cloud. This ensures scalability and security. Filecoin is utilized in sectors like content storage, decentralized cloud services, and NFT metadata hosting. Collaborations with protocol labs and large-scale projects like Starling Lab highlight its adoption. With a circulating supply of 600.23 million IFIL and a $2.62 billion market cap, its $4.37 price reflects untapped potential as decentralized storage demand grows. Analysts forecast Filecoin could 5x to 10x as the decentralized web expands. A price of $20 to $40 is possible as demand for secure, scalable storage rises. Filecoin is a long-term investment, ideal for those betting on Web3's growth. consider allocating a modest portion of your portfolio and hold for future potential. For investors, building a diversified investment portfolio is crucial. Simultaneously, maintaining investment psychology by not panicking during market fluctuations is important. Capital management is also critical, as investments should align with financial capabilities and specific investment goals. Profits and losses are inevitable in financial investments. However, investing time and belief in ourselves is always a gain. If you find this video helpful, you might also want to watch this one to better understand the market and what is worth investing your time. Now, catch you on the next video.